How we doing, people, and welcome back. Now, we all know that tool theft and van break-ins is a massive problem in this country. You've only got to go in Facebook Marketplace or have a look around your local boot sale to find some stolen tools. It's so easy. And nothing seems to be getting better. So I want to take some steps just to make my security a little bit better as much as I can. So when reolink, the sponsor of this video, reached out to me and wanted to send me one of their cameras out to have a little look at and put out, I jumped at the chance because I thought you can never be too sure, can you? You know, you can never have too many deterrents in place. So they've sent me out their brand new model here, which is this little bad boy here. So this is the altas model. I think it's just the altas. Yeah, just the altas. And it really is a pucker little piece of kit. I'm going to run you through some details now and show you this, but ultimately I just want to do a video showing you how easy this thing is to set up and talk to you about some of the features on it. So let's get into that. So it's got a 20,000 milliamp hour battery on here, which will give you like 540 days of continuous use on a single charge, which is ridiculous. It's got 336 hours of continuous filming that you can get on that battery. I mean, you'd never get an SD card big enough to warrant that. So I don't know, like, the battery's astronomical on this, but that being said, I never have to worry about the battery going off charge off this, because coupled with one of their solar panels, which you can see here, basically 1 hour of constant sunlight on that will keep this thing going, topping up all the time. And in the heights of summer that we're on at now, that's not going to be an issue. And to be honest, a fairly decent day in winter, you're going to get an hour's worth of charge into this anyway. So we ain't got to worry about battery life on this thing, which is absolutely brilliant. Now, the other good thing that I like about this, while we're talking about like no cables, no wires, nothing like that, is there's no subscription fee on this either. Now, I've had other cameras in the past that haven't been anywhere near as good, and I've had to pay subscriptions for them. This thing, you don't need to worry, because in the bottom here, if I can show you, you can stick a little SD card in the bottom there, which came with mine. I'm not sure if it comes with everyone or whether they just sent that to me because obviously, you know, like the brand deal or whatever. But yeah, like you can put an SD card in this and then everything's backed up on there and on your phone as well, which is decent. So like I said, no subscription fees on there, which I'm a massive plus, because, you know, everything's got a subscription nowadays, isn't it? So that's really good. It's got 10 seconds of pre-record function on this as well. So meaning even before the PIR takes off, it's already recorded 10 seconds of footage, which is ideal really, because what I've found with other cameras in the past is by the time that the PIR's picked up, like me, for instance, if I'm walking around my van, I'm already round and out the way, if that makes sense, before the PIR's picked up. So the fact that it will pick it up beforehand is really good. I'm really happy about that. And 10 seconds is a decent amount of time for that as well. Out the box, I've got another one of these. This isn't the only one. So out the box, it literally took me 10 minutes to set up. And that was with like fumbling around, not reading the instructions. So the fact that I know how to put this together now, it's going to take me minutes to get that set up, but we will do that together. I will take you guys out and show you setting it up. Don't worry, not in real time. It won't take 10 minutes to set up for that. What else we got on here? All the footage on this is encrypted as well. So it means that it's only you and the persons that you want to see the footage that are going to see the footage, meaning that someone else isn't going to be able to tap into it and see the footage, which is ideal, especially if you've got it in sensitive places, like you might have it on a back garden while your kids are playing and stuff like that. So massive bonus on that, the fact that it's all encrypted. It comes really well packaged. I'll overlay a little bit of footage now of you guys so you guys can see the packaging in here. It's good, but it's simple, which I like. It's not like loads of little plastic bags that you need to unwrap and all the rest of it, because that does my head in. It's just really well packaged and really like just a nice experience, almost like an Apple experience, if you like, when you unwrap it and then you get into there, which is good. But I'm going to stop waffling now. Let's take you guys outside and we'll get this linked up. Oh no, before we do that, let's get this set up and linked to the phone, and I'll show you guys how easy that is to do. Okay guys, so let's get this all set up. So open up the bottom here. I've already got my SD card in here, so we don't need to worry about that. Turn the device on. And there you go. There's the little jingle. We can push that back in. And then we'll go to our app. Now I've already told this to look for a new device. So basically it's going to scan. There you go, how quick that is. So there's a little QR code you can see on the top there. We're going to configure for Wi-Fi. Power the device on, it's already on. There we go, that's the device.
Welcome to reolink. Please install reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Right, I have heard the voice prompt. Next.
Welcome to reolink. Please install reolink app and scan the QR code on the...
There we go, connection successful. So I'm going to go through and do all my Wi-Fi now. Okay guys, so I've just gone through, I've created all my passwords, set it all up for my Wi-Fi and all that. Obviously I wasn't going to show you guys that, but that is basically the whole camera set up. So that took me about 4 minutes to do that, from scanning that QR code to fully setting up. So now we'll take it outside and we'll get it attached to the building. Okay people, so you'll have to excuse the road noise, I'm afraid, because it is like home time for most people. So I've already put this onto the soffit. It's just 2 little screws up here that fix that in. So I am a bungalow, so hence why I can get up to my soffit quite easily. And then we've got this little 3-section piece here, which is the base, and then that section goes in, and then we put our little ball head in, and that screws over the top, nice and easy. I do want that around the front like that. So this just gives you the ability to move it left and right and up and down and all the rest of it. And then this little piece screws onto the front like so. So like I said, nice and easy. Just to screw that on. And we want that twisted round so it's in the right position. And I'm going to point my aerial back like that. And then we're going to take our little solar panel, and we're going to plug that into there. And with the solar panel, you can see it is like a waterproof jobby, so you ain't got to worry about water going in there. So I can now run this cable right the way across by tucking it in there, and then I'll meet you at the other end where I'm going to put the solar panel. Okay there people, like you said, that was nice and easy. I didn't show me putting the solar panel up in the end, just purely because I couldn't get around there with the camera. I've had to set it up like onto the gable end of my property because that's where the most amount of sun comes, but it was literally the same as putting the camera up. So 2 screws to put the mount in and then screw it in. I will add, actually, while I'm at here, if you don't want to put screws in your property for whatever reason, if you live in like a rented property or something like that, it does come with bungee cords or straps. So you can strap it to like gutter pipes and stuff like that. So that's another plus on the side of this camera. Now, if you want to get one of these yourself or one of their other products that they do, because they do quite a lot, you might have seen in one of my recent videos, I did like a little integration with a pan and tilt camera as well of theirs, which is fantastic as well. I'll leave a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. I will earn a small bit out of it, but you know, it's still a decent product. So go and grab yourself one if you need a camera or a doorbell or anything like that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you've got any questions on these products at all, hit me in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. But with saying that, I'm going to say thanks to reolink again for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.